Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to report someone's Facebook profile to delete permanently. So now without any further ado, let's start with these steps. Launch Facebook app and then go to the person's profile that you want to report. Now tap on the three dots icon at the right hand corner of your screen. Now over here you'll see the option of report profile on top. Tap on it. Now over here you can see various options. You can choose any of these options that you wish to according to your issue. So for now, I'm going to choose the option of fake account. Okay, here we go. Now over here you can also tap on see community standards and then tap on submit, or you can just go back and then make selection on other various options here and see details regarding what you can do about this issue. Now, one thing you have to note down is that although you will be able to report a particular person's profile, however, it is not up to you that this particular Facebook account that you are having issue with will be deleted. Only Facebook is able to do so. If they think that this profile that you have reported is suspicious, then they would delete the profile. If not, that particular account won't be deleted. So, this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.